Let us see principles of curriculum construction in mathematics. Principles of curriculum constructions have the following. One is the principle of utility. Second one is the principle of discipliner values, useful for higher education, child-centeredness, integration of theory with the practice, flexibility, community-centeredness. Principle of utility. According to this principle, all that which is useful should be included in the curriculum of mathematics. For example, which are helpful in day-to-day life, which are helpful in learning other objectives, which are helpful in providing the common ground for fairly good number of needs, and it should be helpful in proper understanding and progress of one's culture and civilization. Helpful in acquainting the student with the contribution of mathematics in the improvement of heavy industry, engineering, trade and commerce. And it will be helpful in realization of the aesthetic and artistic value of the subject mathematics. Helpful in inspiring the student by acquainting them with biographies of mathematicians and the history of discoveries in mathematics. Helpful in understanding the scientific and technological progress and rendering help for further research work in the field of mathematics and sciences. Second one, principle of disciplinary values. The faculties of imagination, memorization, concentration and inventiveness of the mind should be included in the curriculum mathematics. It has been experimentally proven that real useful problems of mathematics train the mind better than the unreal and fancy problems. When considering what to include in mathematics curriculum, we should not include a topic solely because it has a disciplinary value, useful for higher education. The child aims to progress through various levels of education. After primary, they join middle classes, then secondary, higher secondary, college, university or other professional courses. Education at which stage must be prepared the child for next higher stage of education. While the child may not need to study certain topics at the current stage, ignoring these topics would create a major handicap in gaining knowledge at the higher levels. Therefore, the curriculum of mathematics at any stage must cater to the needs of higher educational levels. Child-centeredness. In curriculum construction, proper weightage must be given to the needs and the requirement of students for whom the curriculum is being prepared. It is important to remember that child is not meant for the curriculum, but the curriculum is meant for the child. Therefore, in any scheme of curriculum construction, the needs, abilities, interests and other development characteristics of children at a particular age should be considered. Additionally, the interests and the needs of society should also be taken into account when designing the curriculum. Integration of theory with the practice. Mere theoretical knowledge without practical application is useless burden, while practical knowledge without the support of rational theory is dangerous. Therefore, it is essential to have proper integration of theory and practice in any study scheme. The mathematics curriculum should include topics, contents, and activities that allow ample opportunities to integrate theory with the practice. For this integration, curriculum committees should ensure fair representation of teachers to provide input and how effectively blend their theory and practice. Next one is flexibility. The aim of teaching mathematics and situation that helps in realization of these aims are never static or constant. Therefore, curriculum must be flexible in nature to adapt to changing circumstances. The curriculum should be able to be modified and reshaped according to the circumstances and the resources available. Community centeredness. A curriculum should serve the community of a particular place. It should educate children according to the needs, aspirations, and ideals of that community. Therefore, the curriculum must be constructed and shaped for the welfare of the local community. Thank you.